Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change bullet colors in Word document. So let's start. This is my Word document and you can see here the bullet points color is red. So let's see how it's changed. So simply select the list, then go to the Home tab. In Paragraphs group, have a first option the bullets. Just click on it and you can see the bullet point is added. Now here I'm going to change the color of the bullet points. You can see the black color is default take as a text color. So text color is a black showing, therefore is bullet color is showing the black. Okay, so here I'm going to change the color. Click on this drop down arrow, then click on the define new bullet, and here click on the font. In font dialog box, select the font color. Select the color those you want to change of bullet. Just click on the color. I select the red color and you can see in preview showing the red color bullet point. Okay, see, after that just click on OK, and here in preview see the bullet. If you want the bullet on center, you can set here. If you want the right, you can set here, and you can see in preview also. And after that just click on OK, and that's it. You can see the red color is changed here. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.